Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering CELO key levels. So as always, our key level criteria is swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and start on this monthly chart at the key levels that we can easily spot. So right away we can notice the swing high where candles closed. Let's mark this on our chart. The second key level I can see right away is this area here. As we can see, price came down and reversed, came down, and we've seen a reaction from this level. Notice our long wicks reacting to the level, but initially price broke through with bullish momentum as volume rose on our second candle. So let's plot this level. Now, what we can use this level for is future reference. As price comes back up, we know that price has recently reacted to this level, as these candles here show. And we also know that it was established a long time ago, making it a very key level, as we see two huge reactions on the monthly chart. So now let's move to the weekly and see what else we can find. Now on the weekly chart, it looks a little bit crazy with long wicks going everywhere, candles everywhere, but let's try and establish some key levels. So first thing I can see is right here. Now right here, price is kind of all over the place, but we can see that it held as support here, price reversed up, came back down, price actually rejected this level, making it a support, flipped to resistance, resisted it here, price broke through, coming back up to our key monthly level. And before we go further, let's change this color so we remember that it's a weekly level. This price came down, held as support, reversed down, broke through, and we see price reacting at our key monthly zone. Coming back up, we see a very long wick get rejected from this level. So we can assume that this is a very key level, as price has reacted multiple times, has flipped from support to resistance, and it is quite easy to spot at a glance of the chart, just by looking at our most recent reversal point right here. So now let's look at the most recent price action. What we can see here is a swing high that we will plot. As price comes back up, we are expecting a reaction from this level. Now, for our low here, we can expect something around this area, as we see price is at this level right now. These are the current lows on the chart. So what we want to see is price holding this level. As we see, the most recent low is actually formed in this candle. So this is a bit of an interesting play here, as we don't have too much, but we can see that this wick got rejected from the level, this wick got rejected from the level, and these candles tried to hold this key level. So if we can see this candle hold the level, we also can tell that this is an inside bar as well as a long wick sticking out from the bottom. So we'll have to wait for the coming weeks to see if this key level will hold. So let's reset the chart. Now looking at our chart, it looks a lot more structured, and we can identify as price continues to rise where it will react, because we plotted all of our key levels on the chart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more.